Yeah, Crossfire Freestyle Friday, number 16. Who up first?
Crossfire.
Yeah.
Blazing it, iron.
I'm still rolling, told them motherfuckers that I'm coming, still strolling. I ain't got nothing else, my niggas still hauling on that 4-4 and I'ma knock down the dozing. Nah, I done warmed up, got my fucking jumping jacks. Niggas already know the motherfucking boy is back. If I gotta spit it like that, I tell them spitting crack. And I'm about to give them nothing else except for paper racks. Paper motherfucking racks, tell them about 1,000. I do this shit, motherfucking, I'm spitting this shit loud in. I'm black and I'm proud in. Yeah, when I do it for my niggas and everybody else that's around them. And I do it for niggas that's be up in the houses. Call him the president, we're the vice president. Yes, I'm gonna be smoking this, call it presidential shit. And yes, I'm about to move this shit, call it elemental shit. Gone for the nation, I'm gone, I'm not hating. My niggas still waiting, but my niggas still pacing. I said if I gotta pass it, my niggas still casing. Well, we about to drink up on some motherfucking cases. Now where my fucking aces, now where my fucking nigga at? About to pass the mic, cause I don't know where the trigger at. Don't know where the gun at, but yeah, I'm about to run that. Yeah, go ahead and y'all have fun with that.
Bounce your ass and shake your wealth. I hit it from the top of the shelf. I told him back one time, hit the track one time. I told her, baby girl, shake that back one time. Let me break that back, and matter of fact, I hit it back. I told them boys, I hit them with the block out. Yeah, I was knocking fucking block out. Hit them from the bottom, I'ma fucking top off. They say I fucking cuss too much, but I ain't even tripping. Get the clip and bust too much. Yeah, I might rush too much, but I sidestep. And I told them boys, yeah, you know it's live there. Like the warehouse, I'm about to tear down. Niggas like a tree, nigga, I'm getting old. Wear down, yeah. Build it. I'ma tell them boys this, we gon' kill it. Yeah, I gotta feel it, but the beat I don't. Told them boys I'ma hop up on and drop it, then I flown. They said that's in Texas, boy, with that Texas swag. I got a big ball, so I gotta grab. And I don't brag, but I told them boys I do sag. I told them boys I beat them up like boxing bags. But I'm no boxer. I hit a nigga, kill a nigga.
So I get on the mic and be like, what's up? Cause niggas hate me like I don't give one fuck. I just say some stuff and I be like, what's up? But if you got mess to me, then let's get it, what's up? I don't know what I said, I just say some shit. I be up in this bitch like 96 when we used to act a fool and listen to Diddy. But now we listen to Wee and the PLOC and that boy ICE. And can't you see you can't fuck with we, cause we the FFE and we just like to have fun. Niggas wanna hate, they wanna pull out the gun. I just dodged the bullet like my name was Leroy Bruce. Can't you see, you know I done chunked the deuce. Deuce ain't one, nigga, that we. Shout out to Deuce ain't one, that BYT. You know you can't fuck with that ICE. We bust that up, nigga, can't you see? You can't fuck with we, cause we act a fool. You know we act crazy like we was in school. Get wet, so we jump in the pool and come out and be floating like who's that dude? And that's me, and I float like I am, cause I be so high, cause my body in the sky. Yeah, you give me
lonely nights, as lovers in, it never seems to go like the movies. I write a note, I'm mean to send, but this time could even worse fade away. Lonely nights, as lovers in, it never seems to go like the movies.
Alright.
I write a note, I'm mean to send, but this time could even worse fade away.
Now if I took a minute to sit here and tell you about my life, you niggas wouldn't even sit here and realize I showed you light. I tried to take it from the dark, I tried to take it from the park. Showed you that these niggas be coming down like a fucking lark, coming like the fucking devil. Show you that I had to put them 6 feet deep with that motherfucking shovel. I'm a rebel, I'm a motherfucking beast. Check my teeth, check these fangs, motherfucker, you should see. When he eats, BLO to the C, and I spit it to my fucking team. Nigga, I'm from the east and ain't nothing else we do get the green. Nigga, we be grinding, my nigga, we be shining. And these niggas be hating cause I'm fucking wasting time. But I ain't got no time to waste, I ain't got no time to hate. These niggas, they be fucking off, we'll drop them in the fucking lake. Just like my nigga Josh said, just like my nigga Sarah said. Put him down cause he's a motherfucking Rastafari.
Rastafari, I leave your face with a tar at. I told them boys I leave your face with a tar at. You better stay where your car at. But if you in your car, I still leave your face where your car at. I mean, I'm coming to your window, I play a bitch, lay a bitch, play her like Nintendo or PlayStation. Nigga go on a space station, I'm hiding the motherfucker, cool marching space station. Why the fuck you space hating? I'm come through this bitch, all these niggas just spectating. They watching, nigga, you know I'm popping. I'm come through this bitch, oh, I meant to say I'm cracking. Nigga never lacking, nigga never slacking. I told them boys a 4-5 is nothing less what I'm packing. 9mm, but it's a lyrical 4. I told them boys I come through and I could,
like at the movies when we watch the screens play, watch the pictures move. You know how the pictures groove. You know how we do when we get on the MIC. You know I'm ICE. You know you can't fuck with E, or fuck with we, or fuck with the East. Cause I am the East, man. Can't you see that we be on that MSC and when we bust it? Nigga don't hate cause we don't give a damn how we does it. We just do it cause we do it, and we the man in it. You wanna talk that mess, you know we can get it. In the street, but I ain't hood. I just know if you come, then there's no good for you, cause you be on the floor, you all out, you knocked out, and then I'm like, I'm out. I chunk the dudes, I chunk the dizzle, I chunk the, man, I don't know what else to say, I just get it, just play.
I'm robbing pussy niggas cause I'm the man to get it. Come and take it, motherfucker, let's motherfucking get it. Let's spit this shit off the motherfucking dome, off the motherfucking brain, nigga. E to the day came, yeah. You know a nigga go insane, so I blaze them Mary Jane to keep a young nigga sane. What I'm a bitch, what I'm a damn bitch, I murk y'all niggas, I duck your niggas, I put you in the dirt, I leave your niggas hurt with that motherfucking lead in your motherfucking head, motherfucker getting it bread out the motherfucking back, pull the trigger, now you stinking, the motherfucking bitch, flee the scene, now I'm rich and I'm stay blazing, nigga know I ain't playing with that pussy niggas, know I'm chasing all the figures, said it once, I don't give a fuck, my nigga.
It don't matter what the beat is. It don't matter what the beat is.
That's what lyrical push is all about. It don't matter what the beat is.
I swear to God, I'll rap on that hell. Like you see the next Mickey Mouse episode, all you see is Mickey Mouse going like this. Mickey Mouse like, you see Mickey Mouse over there. He's like, what's supposed to say? Let's go. What's he say? I mean,
Yeah.
are you sure you been recording?
Yeah, she's been recording.
All right then.
you know it's so cold, it burns. Frost fire, blazing it, iron.
Yeah. I got the one. Yeah. Hey. I'm gonna let it do this thing until it comes to end. Y'all already know me, we gon' make the shit sin. And I'm going in, my nigga going in. I'ma make sure that I do this shit so that we win. Y'all already see that this nigga, he here sin. And we going in, my nigga, we going in, yeah. I'm going in, let me say that I'm going in. Take the microphone, yeah, I'm writing home, niggas know that I'm going in. I'm going, niggas said I was never losing, but these niggas be pointing fingers, talking about they fucking choosing. Yeah, I ain't got nothing to prove, yeah, I ain't got nothing to lose, but that's okay, cause when I want to, my nigga, I swear that I can move, my nigga, I swear that I can shoot, but I am not no shooter. Give me that motherfucking boot, my nigga, that soldier. I will do ya, 1, 2, 2 ya, like that 1, 2 piece. These niggas be talking like they don't know BLOC, talking about that nigga, he be one down, hold me. Nah, nigga, y'all can't hold me. That's that 1, 2, 3 to the 4 to the 5. Telling them niggas that I've been here going live. Telling them niggas that I've been doing it for my life and your life, my nigga, no lies. I'm telling the truth when I come step in the booth. That's how they know that he proof. These niggas be hating on me. What the fuck would you feel if I was hating on you? Go ahead and think about this shit, let it simmer. Go ahead and eat your dinner, my nigga. Go ahead and eat your motherfucking dinner.
He had to hit him with the have him hitting, dancing like a soldier boy, I'm a monster like Rhyme in the closet. You ain't got no money, no withdrawals, no deposit. I laugh into the bank, told them boys if you fuck with me, your ass is gon' get shanked. Yeah, I'm a rich boy, so I talk rich talk. These niggas better watch out before I turn they bitch out. I I show you what your bitch bout. Come up in the bitch and come up in your fucking bitch mouth. I'm ballin' so I'm rich now. Ballin' like Michael Jordan and I'm ballin' in the bricks now. Hard like a bricks now. Sucking on her tits now. Every time you see me, bitch, you better lay down, get down. Cause you know I'm about to spit rounds every time I'm on the track for track in your town. On the stages, throwing all these rages, throwing temper tantrums, read me, change the pages.
It's my time to shine, and you know niggas I'm on my grind. I drop that dough all night, yeah, it's my whole time. And you ain't ready for this flow, nigga about to show you how it goes. So make sure I comment this bitch and turn them on. I mean shit, they flip the light switch on the nigga hitting. Got niggas out and these niggas fucking up and they quitting. But I ain't playing with them, these niggas ain't ready. What you saying to me, boy, you ain't about to stay ready. I stay ready, I stay grinding, I stay on my flow. These niggas ain't ready, they don't even know how the fuck this beat go. So I'm about to drop it down one time. Got niggas over here, they tryna grind, making sure these niggas ain't on my time, because the nigga about to get beat up mine. Oh, yeah, they step to my flow, niggas wanna step up, but these niggas ain't got the dough. These niggas don't bang paper, wanna fuck up, so I'm about to show these niggas what the fuck how it goes. This comrade and this bitch and he fucking it up, but it's okay, cause these niggas messing up and these niggas about to come back with uppercuts.
Comrades say these niggas, them niggas really fucking up. That EJ Kane, that crank, you know what nigga fucking whipping up. Got this shit up on the stove, niggas don't give a fuck, I pack the stove. On my waist, I put it to your motherfucking face. Yeah, send you to the space, nigga, send you to the heaven, nigga. I don't give a fuck, now your fucking mama grieving, nigga. I don't give a damn, flip scene and I'm breathing, nigga. Shit, this shit is fucking hot, nigga. Hotter than a cop, nigga. Hotter than that 4-5. I don't give a fuck. In the pen, I never do a time. Never do a bid. Got the paper to give me out. Just don't give a fuck. Eastside, nigga, what we got? Yeah. About that fucking grooving shit. On this motherfucker scene, niggas moving like this groove of shit. Yeah. I look at that comrade, took the loose motherfucker. Yes, I'm sipping gin and juice, nigga. Like that fucking Snoop, nigga. I'm gonna fuck him in that coupe. What's up to that motherfucking nigga coupe? Martian, nigga. I'm gonna fuck cause I'm starting, nigga. Starting in this game, nigga. I'm gonna fuck cause I'm shining, grinding, nigga. No, I'm pining, cuz, nigga.
Oh, you witnessing the rise of an empire. Frostfire, you already know we gon' quiet. All the ones that's hating on us, yeah.
Hating ass nigga. Yeah.
Hello motherfuckers, how you like this shit? They call him J-Block and he blow like a They said the nigga that he was talking this and there was nothing else that he could fucking handle. I said when I rap, nigga, I hold it like my kids. There is nothing else to do, my nigga, show these niggas biz. Now let me go ahead and let my hands go. Y'all can still stand though, right here next to me. Show them how we blessing these motherfucking tracks when I'm on the fucking mic.